Hi, let us look at question 18. We are still solving trigonometric equation. This is question 18, trigonometry of A level. Now we need to prove that sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cubed theta. Then we find the solution for this. Alright, so now what we are going to do is to use the compound angle formula and then the double angle identities. We shall come up with this. So let us see. Sine 3 theta is the same as sine 2 theta plus 1, plus theta. So expansion of this will give us a sine 2 theta cos theta plus sine theta cos 2 theta. So this will give us, now this one is the same as 2 sine theta cos theta times cos theta, so I just put a square here, then plus, now this is going to be sine theta, but cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sine squared theta from the double angle identity which we covered on the same platform. So please check for that video. Now we need to get rid of the cos, so this is going to be 2 sine theta. I will take 1 minus sine squared theta from the Pythagorean identity of sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1. So sine cos squared can be written as 1 minus sine squared, then plus sine theta here minus 2 sine cubed theta. So when I expand this, I get 2 sine theta, then minus 2 sine cubed theta plus sine theta minus 2 sine cubed theta. So this gives us 2 sine theta plus sine theta, you get 3 sine theta, then minus 2 sine cubed minus 2 sine cubed, that is minus 4 sine cubed theta. Hence the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So after that, let us go to part B. Now part B, we have to find all solutions of 2 sine 3 theta equal to 1. So when we say 2 sine 3 theta equal to 1 between 0 to 360, I'll just have to make sine 3 theta equal to a half, then 3 theta will be equal to the sine inverse of a half, and 3 theta, that is going to give us 30 degrees as the first angle. But now we have to look for range or the quadrant where our sine is positive. So sine is positive only in the first and in the third quadrant. So we have this angle here which is 30, and this angle here which is 150. So this is going to be 30, then 150 degrees. But remember, this is 3 theta, so we need to go until we finish out the restriction given between 0 to 360. So now, since this is going to be divided by 3, now we shall divide this by 3, we get 10, divide this by 3, we get 50, and so on. So we can go as far as 360 times 3, and that gives us 1080 for the space of 3 theta. So let us move on. Now what we are going to be doing is, now we move one cycle and we add 30. So that means 360 plus this, which is 390. We haven't reached here yet. So now we are going to move one cycle and we add 150. So we add this, we add 360 on this. So 360 plus 150, we get 510. So now we are going to add, now we have added 360 on this, 360 on this. Now we are going to deal with this. So because we need to move one cycle, we move 2 cycles plus this, we just add this 390 plus 360. So this will be 390 plus 30, 390 plus 360, 390 plus this one here plus 360. We keep adding cycles, we get 750. It will be the same if you move 2 cycles, then you add 30, that is 720 plus that. We are still in the range. Now we can move 2 cycles and then we add 150, that is 720 plus 150, which is 870. For just adding 360 on this, we are still in the restriction range. So let us see now we add 360 on this, we move 3 cycles, that is 360 times 3, then plus 30. But now we shall be out of the range because it will give us 1110. So this is out because we are 3 theta and we are stopping at 360. So if I multiply this with 3, we get 10. So this will be out. So we are going now to find the theta by dividing by 3. So this is 10 degrees, this is 50 degrees, this is 130 degrees. So 510 divided by 3, we get 170 degrees. Then 750 divided by 3, we get 250 degrees. Then 870 divided by 3, we get 290 degrees, and we stop here. So this is the solution. These are the angles. You can see they are between 0 and 360. So that is it. Now we are going to go to the last part, the ends part. Now the ends part says, let's find the solutions. Find the solutions for 8 cubed minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. So I can write this. I'm going to factorize the 2 because I want to create a 4 cubed. Or let me factorize out negative 2. Then this will give us a 3x minus 4 x cubed equal to negative 1. And now when we look at this, let me say 3x minus 4x cubed will be equal to a half. So if I write 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cubed equal to sine 3 theta, it will mean that by comparing, x is what? X is going to be sine theta, and now sine 3 theta is going to be equal to a half, and it is what we have got. We got all the solution values of theta. Theta was 10, it was 50. And now we are going to solve this, meaning we need only the first 3 angles. We had 130 and so on. We went up to 290, but now we need to focus on the first 3 if we are solving this equation, because it has got 3 roots. So since x is equal to sine theta, so x1 will be equal to sine 10, x1 is equal to sine 10, and let us see, sine 10 is equal to 0.117. Then x2 is going to be sine 50 degrees. If we take sine 50 degrees, that gives us 0.766, and now the final root is going to be sine 130 degrees, and that gives us sine of 130 0.76. So this root is 766, so it is repeated. So we shall get 0.766. So now, since this one is the same as this and we need to get 3 roots, let us go to the next angle, and the next angle for theta, from 130 we add 170. So this is going to be, so we shall not consider this. So let us see, sine 170 is going to be 0.17. So it is still the same as that one before, so we leave that one also. Let us go to the next angle. From 170 we add 250 degrees, and let us find out sine. We get negative, and that is going to be the third root. Now we get negative 0.94. So if they were distinct, we could stop there, we could not finish all the angles, but now since we see that this gives us the same as this one here, so we don't consider that, and the 170 gives us the same as this, so we have to go to 250, which has given us, if it was also seen at the end of this, we could go to 290. And now you see, when you go to 290, we are like to get a root which is already appearing here. Let us see. So sine of 290, so you see it repeats, it is the same as the third root here. So these are the 3 roots for our equation. So x has got values of negative 0.94, 0.17, and 0.766, and those are the 3 roots, because this is raised to cube, to the cubic power. So that's how we do such numbers. Hope you have gained something from this video. We shall meet in the next video. Thank you.